Now see the example. First example we have, that is NO3 negative. First, identify the central atom. So nitrogen in the least number and less electronegative as compared to oxygen. So central atom is here and central atom is nitrogen here. Now calculate the total charge, total number of electron. So total electron यहाँ पे count करना है, total electrons. So nitrogen have 5 valence electrons plus oxygen have 6 valence electron and total oxygen is 3. If there is negative charge, then add this negative charge here, that is as a 1 electron here, that is 5 electron here plus 6 is a 18 electron here and plus 1 electron. The total number of electron from here, that is 24 electron. Now firstly draw the central atom, that is nitrogen, and draw all oxygens around this, oxygen, oxygen and oxygen. First make a bond between the oxygen and nitrogen, make a bond between the oxygen and nitrogen, make a bond between the oxygen and nitrogen. Now calculate the bonded bond pairs, कितने bond pair अभी बनाए हैं, okay, and multiply it by 2. So how many bonds here? This is 1, 2, 3. 3 कितने बॉन्ड पेयर है यहाँ पे? बॉन्ड पेयर इक्वल्स टू 3. 3 को किसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 2 से. सो हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन वी गेट फ्रॉम हियर? 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन. 24 में 6 गए, रिमेनिंग दैट इज 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. नाउ 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन बी यूज एज अ लोन पेयर या फिर डबल बॉन्ड, या फिर कैसे यूज करेंगे उसको हम? ट्रिपल बॉन्ड में हम यूज करेंगे. नाउ आफ्टर दिस कंप्लीट द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑफ कॉर्नर एटम्स. जो भी कॉर्नर एटम्स है उसके क्या करना है? वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन को कंप्लीट करना है, मतलब उनकी ऑक्टेट जो है उसको कंप्लीट करना है. सो दिस हैव 1, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हियर. हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नीडेड टू कंप्लीट इट्स ऑक्टेट? सो दिस इज 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन, मैक्सिमम 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन हियर. सो 2 इज हियर. सो हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन? 6. अरेंज देम 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now how many electrons are left after completing the octet of all 3 oxygens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 12 and 18. So all 18 electrons is used. Now we have to balance the central atom. Central atom is nitrogen here. And how many electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And अपनी इसको octet complete करने के लिए 2 more electron is needed here. So from oxygen, ये ऑक्सीजन क्या करेगा? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन को डोनेट करेगा और यहाँ क्या बनाएगा? एक लोन पेयर बनाएगा. इन दिस नाइट्रोजन इज फॉर्मिंग डबल बॉन्ड हियर, ऑक्सीजन, दिस इज ऑक्सीजन एंड ऑक्सीजन हियर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 एंड 1, 2, 3, 4. अब नाइट्रोजन के टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन काउंट करो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तो इसकी ऑक्टेट क्या हो गई? यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गई. सो अब now here negative charge on nitrogen. So now we have to decide which oxygen get this negative charge. So for this हम क्या determine करते हैं? formal charge. And formal charge that is equals to बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस में लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस में बॉन्ड पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन. नाउ let this is first oxygen, this is second oxygen, and this is third oxygen, and this nitrogen is fourth. सबसे पहले फॉर्मल चार्ज वी आर काउंटिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट ऑक्सीजन हेयर. सो फॉर्मल चार्ज फॉर फर्स्ट ऑक्सीजन, फॉर्मल चार्ज फॉर फर्स्ट ऑक्सीजन. सो फॉर फर्स्ट ऑक्सीजन सबसे पहले वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन देखो. हाउ मेनी वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन आर देयर? ऑक्सीजन हैव 6 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन minus how many lone pairs? So count the lone pairs 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now bond pair, how many bond pair? 1 and 2. Now minus 2 divided by 2 we will get that this plus 6 minus 6 0, and minus 2 by minus 2 what we will get from here, that is minus charge. Okay, for this oxygen formal charge for oxygen second के लिए भी सेम आएगा, that is of -1. if we are counting for this, that is formal charge for oxygen third, that is how many valence electron? Oxygen have 6 electron. how many lone pairs are there? 1 2 3 4 minus 4 electrons are there. how many bond pairs are there? 1 2 3 4 4 bond pairs are there, minus 4 by 2 here. when we solving this we will get 0 from here, that is 2 here. 4 to 6 6 cancel out, plus 6 minus 6 cancel out, 0. 0 means 0 का मतलब क्या है? 0 means no charge here. 0 means no charge here. यहाँ पे कोई भी चार्ज नहीं होगा. if we are counting for the nitrogen, that is valence electron is 5, and there is no lone pair, that is 0. and how many bond pairs there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. there is 8, that is 8 by 2 here. we will get 4 here, and for nitrogen we will get plus charge, plus 1. it means nitrogen double bond oxygen, oxygen and oxygen, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2. इसका मतलब क्या है कि नाइट्रोजन हैव प्लस चार्ज एंड दीज टू ऑक्सीजन हैव नेगेटिव चार्ज. हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या था? डेट इज NO3 नेगेटिव, मीन्स एक नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. सो हेयर 1 प्लस and this is cancel out and we get negative charge on this. Okay, so this is Lewis dot structure for NO3 negative. we can write this like N, double bond O here, this is O and this is O here, and negative charge on whole molecule. Okay, so this is Lewis dot structure of NO3 negative. and here we have to find, here we did the how to calculate the formal charge. see another example, that is NO2 minus 1. सबसे पहले calculate the charge here. Calculate the total number of electrons. nitrogen have 5 electrons plus oxygen have 2 and number of valence electron is 6. 6 to the 12 electrons here, and this is minus 1, then adding 1 here. 5 6 7 8, total number of electrons is 18 here. First draw the structure, that is nitrogen we have, oxygen and oxygen this side, and making a single bond, making a bond here. now how many bonded atom there? 1 2 3 4. okay, मतलब 1 2 bond, 2 multiply by 2 मतलब 4 electron is used. so 4 electron क्या हो गया? यूज हो गया. now remaining 14 electrons are there. Now complete the octet. Complete the octet of this. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many electrons are used there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 12. So 12 electrons क्या हुए हैं यहाँ पे यूज हो गए. 12 electrons यूज हो गए. Remaining 2 electrons. 2 electrons act as a lone pair here. So now draw the lone pairs on the nitrogen. So this is like this. Now calculate the total number of electrons for nitrogen. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 more electron is needed here to complete octet of nitrogen. So from here these 2 electrons, from here these 2 electron making a bond here, and this structure become like nitrogen, double bond oxygen, single bond oxygen, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4, and this is having the lone pairs. Now calculate the formal charge for all the atoms in this. So assign as this is first, this is second, and this is third. For first oxygen, for first formal charge is how many? Formal charge कैसे निकालते हैं? That is valence electron. Total valence electron is 6 electron there. Minus how many lone pair? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 lone pairs here. Bond pair, this is 2 bond pair, minus में 2 by 2 here. We get 0 from this, and we get minus 1 from here. Okay. For nitrogen, if we are finding for the nitrogen having 5 electrons. How many valence electron? Lone pairs, there are 2 lone pairs, 2 electron here. And how many bonded pair? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 here. सिक्स बाय बॉन्डेड पेयर जितने भी हैं मल्टी डिवाइडेड बाय 2 है, 2 3 है, वट वी विल गेट है 0 चार्ज है. एंड फॉर दिस ऑक्सीजन, दिस इज वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन here. How many lone pairs are there? 1 2 3 4. There is 4 lone pairs. Minus how many bonded pairs are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 divided by 2 here. 2 2s are 4 here. We get 6 from here. That is minus 6, and this is plus 6, 0 here. So this minus charge is on this oxygen. This minus charge on this oxygen. See this example. So first count the all valence electron on this. Carbon has 6 electrons. Carbon have valence 4 electrons plus oxygen having 6 electrons. 6 into में 3 plus minus 2 is added here, that is as a 2 electron. From here that is 4, 6 is a 18, 20, that is total number of electron here 24 electrons. Okay. Now central atom here, फर्स्ट ऑक्सीजन, सेकेंड ऑक्सीजन, थर्ड ऑक्सीजन. सबसे पहले एक सिंगल बॉन्ड बनाएंगे. सिंगल बॉन्ड बनाने के बाद सेकेंड सिंगल बॉन्ड बनाने के बाद जो भी कॉर्नर एटम्स है, हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर यूज देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 electrons are used there. How many electrons remaining? That is 18 electron. Now complete the octet of oxygen. First, second, third, 4, 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. How many electrons are used there? 6 6 6. मतलब 18 electrons are used there. So there is no lone pair on the carbon. Now complete the octet of the central atom. See, this is central atom. Carbon is here having 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more electron is needed to complete the octet of carbon. So these 2 electron making a double bond here. Now this structure is like carbon, double bond oxygen. This is O here and this is oxygen here. This is 2 lone pair remaining here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And having 2 negative charge here. Now when you calculated the formal charge for this, you get the negative for this and negative for this. 0 for this oxygen and 0 for this carbon. So this is having -1 charge and this is having -1. So this is Lewis dot structure for the CO3 2 negative. Next example. Another example, that is SO3 negative here. First you try yourself. See in this, first central calculate the total number of electrons. Sulfur having the 6 electrons plus oxygen having 6 multiplied by 3 plus may 1 for the minus. What we will get from here, that is 6 electron plus 18 electron plus may 1. This is 2 negative here. And this is 2, 2. So there is total 26 electrons there. Now draw the central, first central atom is S. Draw all the corner atoms, oxygen, oxygen and oxygen, making a bond between them, this. Now calculate the valence electron here. Calculate the bonded electron here. So in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electron is uses. So remaining 20 electrons are left here. Now complete the octet of this oxygen here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टोटल यूज हो गए यहाँ पे? 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. रिमेनिंग 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर. These 2 electrons making a lone pair here. And here now calculate the atom of sulfur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Central atom can make the more than 8. And sulfur have covalency maximum up to 4. So this need a double bond also here. So from this oxygen, these 2 electrons make a bond here. And we will get from, so from here, this is S, double bond oxygen here. This here, sulfur having the lone pair this side. This is oxygen here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the question is, ये 2 नेगेटिव जो चार्ज है ये कौन से ऑक्सीजन पे जाएगा? फॉर दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड द फॉर्मल चार्ज. असाइन दिस एज अ 1 नंबर. दिस इज सेकेंड हेयर एंड दिस इज थर्ड हेयर. फर्स्ट फॉर्मल चार्ज फॉर द फर्स्ट ऑक्सीजन. फर्स्ट के लिए फॉर्मल चार्ज निकालेंगे. सो ऑक्सीजन हैव हाउ मेनी वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन? ऑक्सीजन हैव मैक्सिमम वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 6 minus how many lone pair are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electrons are there. Minus how many bonded electron? 1, 2. 2 are bonded electron here. So 6 cancel, plus 6 minus 6 cancel out. What we will get here? -1. If we are finding the formal charge for the second, we will get the -1. Finding the formal charge for the third oxygen here, that is this oxygen having valence electron is 6, having 6 valence electron, minus lone pair 1, 2, 3, 4, minus how many bonded electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 divided by 2 here. What we will get here? 2, 4, 2, 6, and we will get here 0. For sulfur, sulfur have 6 electrons. Plus, minus how many lone pairs are there? 2 lone pairs there. Minus how many bonded electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 divided by 2 here. 2, 4 here. We will get from here, that is 0. So this negative charge is on this oxygen and on this oxygen. So this negative charge is on this oxygen and on this oxygen. So this is Lewis dot structure for the SO3 and 2 negative. Sulfur have the maximum covalency is up to 4. ये 4 बॉन्ड क्या है बना सकता है. Okay, so this is all about the Lewis dot structures. We can show the electron by dots. That's why this is called Lewis dot structures. And if there is more than 2 atoms in the molecule, and we have to assign the charges on the atom, we find the charge with the help of formal charge. And formula of formal charge is valence electron minus lone pair electron minus bond pair divided by 2. So this is all about Lewis dot structure and formal charge. Thank you.